Similar to K, you need to push your tongue up and press against the vellum, but activate your voice for the letter G. Make sure to add a little stress to your jaw. Some examples include egg, grab. This is a throat sound. You can feel the vibration and the movement in your throat. Sometimes it feels like you are swallowing. So when we say goo, 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 goo. H versus G. It's important not to hiss or produce hot air. The G sound is deeper. Hot versus got. How deep? Depends on the next sound. A might keep it at the top, while O might push it down. Gap versus got. Gap, gap, got, got. K versus G. Don't go part way. Vibrate away to avoid the K sound. Got versus caught. Sample sentence. Greg is guessing the solution.